Hey folks, I'm Adam.
And I'm Amy.
And today we're gonna look at some really fun toys.
Yes, these are amazing, super fun, and you can get them all on Amazon. I'm gonna leave the links in the description below for you guys, so make sure you check those out. We're gonna show these off though for a second.
This one I had so much fun building.
I struggled with it, honestly, and I think this is proof for why you need to invest in these sort of like STEM building experiences for your kids, because this is so good for spatial reasoning. I could feel this like flexing a muscle in my brain that I haven't used nearly enough.
Yeah.
It was super fun, and there are so many different, I'm going to show on screen kind of the thing that it comes with, so many different ways to put all of these parts together. There's a dump truck, there is a moving mechanical saw, so many different parts, so many different ways to play, so many different wheel combinations, truck combinations. It's incredible.
Yeah, in fact, I'm gonna go grab those here in a second while she continues to talk, but yeah, you can swap out the dump truck back, and you can swap it with like a water truck. You can swap this out, which is real fun. It's got the lights and the sound. It's got a different cab you can use. It's got different wheels you can put on it. You can put a saw at the front or a bulldozer front end, and it's all just tiny little screw things that really captures the creativity. As soon as I saw it, it was funny. She was like, I don't know how to do this. And I was like, I love it. I don't need the instructions. And I made 100 different versions of this truck.
Yep.
And it's everything. I think people who do this when they're kids become people who are like, oh, I can put that together.
Yeah.
Oh, I can do engineering. Oh, I can assemble the IKEA furniture. I was so excited about this one. And again, it's called Take Apart Toys. And you can see how they all just go together, and they have so many different options. And it's a company that's out of the United States that's selling these, and that's just super exciting. Tell them about the fire truck, or continue about this. I'm gonna go get the other pieces.
So he's grabbing that. This fire truck, you guys, I'm gonna put some footage of it on screen, but you can see it's got the real lights, it's got the sounds. It has a cool mode on that, like on the bottom, to where you can tell if you turn it on, you get like the actual emergency sounds. But parents, don't worry, you can also put it in a standby mode where you just have the RC car, and it's super fast. This thing zips around. So you can have it either in the emergency mode with all the cool sounds and lights, or you can have the quieter option as well. This is the remote control, super easy. You just have your forward and reverse and left and right. Easy to use for even your littlest fire engine, guys. And this is fully movable. You can see even the bucket at the top is great. You could put little Lego guys or whatever in there. This is retractable. Everything really moving, really working, real lights, all of that great stuff.
Okay, so what's so cool about this to me is, first off, look at how intricate it is.
Yeah.
I'm gonna steal this from me because I love it. Like how intricate it is. And when I was a kid, I had an RC car, right? I had the Tyco Turbo Hopper. It was amazing. That thing ate through batteries. This has 3 batteries that you can get, your rechargeable batteries, and you can just use this again and again and again and again, and that's super amazing. Then on top of that, before RC cars were just so big and bulky, this thing is tiny, and it does everything my old, like expensive RC car used to do. The scale is incredible. The speed of these things is fantastic. The little remote controls, the sound on them, look at that. This thing's gonna, it's a rocket sled on rails. It's so super fast, so super fun. Can I steal and tell a little bit about this again?
Yes, go for it,
But
for it.
you can see, like, I'm having so much fun.
This is why I had you in this video, because I knew that you would love the toys so much.
I'm not even supposed to be in this video. But you can change out the back, you can change out the front, you can make it into like...
This is so cool because it like actually really moves, like the skill saw. That was awesome.
You can make it like...
You have moving skill saws.
That is pretty cool. I was pretty excited about that. You can put the like the Caterpillar front end on it. You can do so many different things. The dump truck. There's just a lot of different options. It comes with a little screwdriver for messing with that I have already dropped on the floor. You can swap out the wheels. Got the sound and just
it gives you the ideas, but really you can make your own variation, your own crazy truck, anything that you want.
My recommendation is follow the instructions the first time to get a feel for where things basically go, and then just have fun with it. Like, your kids are gonna have so much fun just being creative, and that's the key. You're letting your kids, use their creativity, grow their minds, figure geospatial relationships.
This is the engineering series, so that's, you're really, cultivating those things that make a great engineer.
I can promise you that if your kids are playing with this instead of a video game on their phone, they're going to have a lot more opportunity to do well in the SAT and ACT that have those types of relationship quizzes where the gear goes this way and the thing goes that way. This is going to be huge for your kids, and it's so easy and so much fun. Get them at a young age thinking about this sort of thing, and this is just a blast. This is just fun.
This is so fast, right? I hope on video you can see how fast it is.
Right?
It's really fun.
So great for little hands too. Look at the controller right there, up, down, left, right. And I swear, did you play with these as a kid? I bet you didn't.
No, not as much.
I played with these as a kid, and I felt like it made me a better driver because you get the idea of going backwards, you go the other way.
Was that a shot at me driving?
Yes, it was. It absolutely was. So as somebody who loves driving cars, I feel like you do this from a young age and you just get used to driving cars. And no offense, but I feel like we don't let girls play with cars and things enough, and then they don't like to drive.
Yeah.
I feel like this is a great toy
These
for
are
a boy
both-
or a girl.
yeah,
Both of these.
Totally unisex toys.
Right?
For everybody.
I don't think we're having girls play with enough toys like this, and that's hurting them later in STEM education.
Yeah.
Is that fair enough? All right. So anyway, do we have anything else we have to say? Because I could talk about these for an hour. I'm going to go play with these for an hour.
Okay, I think we're gonna go play with these, but you guys check out the link in the description below and order these for any of the kids in your life or the big kids in your life. Anyone's gonna really love them.
All right. Thanks for watching, and
Adios, amigos.